What's up and welcome to Dad Got This. Today we're back doing an Instant Pot recipe and we are gonna find out if you can cook this pre-packaged cilantro lime rice in the Instant Pot. Is it any quicker? Is it easier? I don't know. Let's read some instructions. I have made a yellow saffron rice that came out perfect using one of these type of bags from Vigo. The instructions normally are you would take a saucepan with 2 cups of water, olive oil and butter, add the rice, stir it, and then let it simmer for 20 to 25 minutes. I'm gonna try to do this with the exact same way I do regular rice. 10 minutes, high pressure, natural release, and if you're in a hurry, you can do a quick release too. It really doesn't make that much a difference in the rice, at least from what I've noticed. And we're gonna throw some butter and some oil in there to get with it. So this should be really simple. I'm interested to see if this is gonna work out. We'll take our lid off. Instant Pot. It's basically just rice with seasoning. We're gonna do our normal 1-to-1. So we're gonna measure out how much rice we have in here. Probably should have done that before I dumped it in. And then we're gonna add the same amount of water by volume as we have rice. So let's see if we can't do this without losing any rice. I'm gonna say this is about a cup. Just about 1 cup of rice. 1 cup of water. Now it says to add oil and butter. Butter is optional. Butter is not optional in this family. We like butter. We'll throw a little bit of olive oil in there and a couple pats of butter. I'd say this is roughly a tablespoon of butter in the Instant Pot. I'll swirl it. So we wanna make sure all the rice gets covered by water. We'll pop our lid on. I will say that there we go. This version of the Instant Pot's a little harder to get the lid on than my old one. I do love my baby Yoda though. If you're interested, I did a full review on this. Go check it out. I love me some Star Wars. I love me some Instant Pot. Pressure cook. "10 minutes, high pressure. Make sure this says sealing." And we wait. We should be pretty much done. I'm gonna release whatever pressure's left. Stand back when you do this. You do not want to. It could have went big choo-choo train style and screwed me over. All right. Not looking bad. It's gonna need a stir. Nice thing about this is so much oil and butter in there, there's definitely no sticking happening. All right, let's get it out into a bowl. Let's give it a try. That's flavorful, perfectly cooked, no mess, no hassle. I think it works. Regular rice setting in the Instant Pot, cilantro lime rice. This is going to go perfect with the chuck roast burnt end that I am smoking outside right now. Go look for that video. If it's not out yet, it'll be out soon. The information will be in the description below. All right, I guess we figured out that you can easily make these flavored rices in your Instant Pot using your same rice technique. I'm gonna eat some more of this. Dad may like cilantro lime rice, but Dad doesn't do outros. So that's it. Bye. Thanks for watching. Maybe check out one of these other videos. You might enjoy it. Give this a thumbs up if you liked it and you felt it gave you something. It would help Dad out. YouTube loves the thumbs up. And maybe subscribe if you want more content. Or don't. That's okay too. You just have a good day.